Somewhere out there, beyond every planet, beyond the reach of our sun, beyond the edge of our solar system itself, a machine is moving through the dark. It has been flying for nearly 49 years, non-stop, every single second since 1977. And right now, as you watch this, it is moving further away, deeper into a darkness so vast, so silent, so empty, that the human mind is never built to comprehend it. This is Voyager 1, the furthest object humanity has ever sent into space, the loneliest machine ever built. And somehow, it is still out there, still moving, still sending signal home. In the late 1970s, the outer planets of our solar system were aligning in a rare position that would allow a single spacecraft to visit Jupiter and Saturn in one continuous journey, using each planet's gravity as a slingshot to reach the next. NASA had one shot at it, and they took it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. MDS, we have ignition, we have a liftoff.
On September 5th, 1977, Voyager 1 launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Its mission was simple: fly past Jupiter, fly past Saturn, study their moons and rings, take photographs, and send the data home. A 5-year mission, that was it. But before it launched, scientists did something unexpected. They attached a golden record to the outside of the spacecraft, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc carrying the sounds of Earth, ocean waves, thunder, wind, and rain, music from cultures around the world, and greetings recorded in 55 human languages. It was humanity's message to the universe, placed on a spacecraft heading into the unknown, just in case someone out there ever finds it. When Voyager 1 flew past Jupiter in 1979, it sent back the closest, clearest photographs of Jupiter humanity had ever seen. We saw its great red spot, a storm larger than the entire Earth, up close for the very first time. It discovered active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, something nobody had expected. Then, in 1980, it reached Saturn, photographing its rings in stunning detail, and revealing that Saturn's moon Titan had a thick atmosphere. But that flyby of Titan changed everything. The angle required to get close to Titan sent Voyager 1 on a path that curved sharply away from the rest of the solar system. After this, there were no more planets in its direction, no more destinations, no more mission objectives. It was never lost. It was never broken. It simply ran out of places to go. And so it kept flying. Past the last planets, past the last moons, past the edge of the sun's influence itself, into the dark, carrying a golden record with the sounds of a planet it would never see again. After almost 13 years in space, Voyager 1 had done everything it was asked to do. But before switching off its camera forever, NASA engineers sent one final command. Turn the camera around. Look back at Earth one last time. The signal took hours to reach Voyager, but it worked. On February 14th, 1990, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward home from 6 billion kilometers away and took a photograph. And this is what it captured. That tiny pale blue dot in the middle of that vast darkness. That is Earth. That is home. Every person you have ever known, every place you have ever been, everything that has ever mattered to anyone is on that dot. From 6 billion kilometers away, that is all we are, a speck of light in an endless dark. After this photograph was taken, Voyager's camera was switched off forever to save power. No more images, no more looking back. And Voyager kept flying. It pushed further and further outward, every single day covering another 1.5 million kilometers of nothing. And then in August 2012, 35 years after its launch, something changed. Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the point where the sun can no longer reach, the point where our solar system ends and something else begins. That something else is interstellar space. And interstellar space is not what most people imagine. It is not a wall. It is not a dramatic line in the sky. This is the void between the stars, the space that exists between one solar system and the next. The nearest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. At Voyager's current speed, it would take 73,000 years to reach it. Voyager 1 became the first human-made object in history to enter this space. A machine built in the 1970s had just done something no human creation had ever done before, and it was still going. But this lonely journey can't change one simple truth. Voyager 1 is dying. Right now, it is over 25.8 billion kilometers from Earth, and later this year, in November 2026, it will cross a milestone no human-made object has ever reached. It will be one full light day from Earth, meaning its signal will take a complete 24 hours one way just to arrive. And if something goes wrong up there, Voyager will be alone in the dark for 48 hours before we can even try to help. It runs on nuclear batteries that lose roughly 4 watts of power every single year, so NASA has been making painful decisions. In February 2025, they switched off Voyager's cosmic ray instrument, a system that had been running non-stop for 47 years to preserve what little power remains. One by one, the instruments are going dark, sacrificing science just to keep the signal alive a little longer. Engineers estimate that sometime in the early 2030s, perhaps 2032, the power will finally drop too low to transmit anything at all. The signal will simply stop. No final message, no goodbye, just silence. And Voyager will keep flying, dark and quiet, carrying that golden record through the interstellar void forever.